6 foods that help reduce water retention and bloating. Do you ever feel puffy, swollen, or like your jeans are suddenly 2 sizes too small? That uncomfortable bloated feeling could be a sign of water retention, a common issue caused by excess sodium, hormonal changes, or simply poor dietary choices. But here's the good news. Some natural foods can help flush out that extra fluid and leave you feeling lighter, leaner, and more energized. In today's video, we're diving into 6 powerful foods that fight bloating and water retention. No pills, powders, or extreme detoxes required. If you're ready to beat the bloat and feel more like yourself again, keep watching. Because these kitchen staples might just become your new secret weapons. 1. Cucumber. Cucumbers are more than just a refreshing snack. They're a hydration powerhouse. Packed with over 95% water, cucumbers help flush excess fluids and toxins from your system, naturally reducing bloating. They also contain a flavonoid called quercetin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can ease puffiness and swelling. Plus, their mild diuretic effect helps your kidneys release sodium and water more efficiently. Add cucumber slices to your water, toss them in a salad, or enjoy them with hummus for a low-calorie, bloat-fighting treat. Their cooling properties also help soothe the digestive tract, which can minimize gas and stomach discomfort. If you're looking for an easy, crunchy solution to water retention, cucumbers are a top pick. 2. Asparagus. Asparagus is a natural diuretic that promotes healthy urine production, helping your body eliminate excess salt and fluid. Rich in potassium, it also helps balance sodium levels, which is key for preventing bloating. On top of that, asparagus contains prebiotics, a type of fiber that nourishes the good bacteria in your gut, supporting a healthier digestive system overall. It's also high in antioxidants like vitamin C, E, and glutathione, which help fight inflammation. Try roasting, steaming, or grilling asparagus as a side dish, or chopping it into salads for a nutritious crunch. It's a delicious way to deflate and detox at the same time. 3. Pineapple. Pineapple isn't just sweet and tropical. It's also a powerful bloating buster. This juicy fruit contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and reduces inflammation in the gut. Bromelain helps your body break down protein more effectively, preventing the buildup of undigested food that can lead to bloating. Pineapple is also naturally hydrating and rich in vitamin C, which supports overall immune and digestive health. Eating a few slices after a heavy meal can help ease that too full feeling. Whether fresh, frozen, or blended into a smoothie, pineapple is a tasty way to reduce water retention and feel lighter. 4th, celery. Celery has been used for centuries as a natural diuretic, thanks to its high water and potassium content. It helps stimulate urine production while flushing out toxins and excess sodium. This fibrous vegetable also supports digestion by helping food move more smoothly through your digestive tract, preventing constipation-related bloating. Additionally, celery contains compounds like apigenin and luteolin, which have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce swelling throughout the body. Snack on celery sticks, juice it, or toss it into stir-fries and soups. It's a crisp, low-calorie food that works wonders for water balance. 5. Ginger. Ginger is a digestive superstar that tackles bloating from several angles. It relaxes the intestinal muscles, helping trapped gas pass more easily, and stimulates saliva and bile production, which aids digestion. Ginger also contains a compound called gingerol that has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant effects, which can calm an irritated digestive tract and reduce fluid buildup. Whether sipped as tea, grated into stir-fries, or blended into smoothies, ginger helps your body detox gently and effectively. If you're feeling puffy or sluggish, adding ginger to your routine could make a noticeable difference. 6. Watermelon. Watermelon is nature's perfect hydrator. Over 90% water, and packed with electrolytes like potassium and magnesium. This sweet fruit helps flush excess sodium from your system, which is one of the primary culprits behind water retention. Watermelon also contains the amino acid citrulline, which supports healthy blood flow and may help reduce swelling. Its high water content makes it an excellent choice for staying hydrated, which, ironically, is key to preventing water retention. The more hydrated you are, the more efficiently your body can release excess
Bloating
fluid.
and water retention can
Enjoy
feel
it
frustrating,
fresh,
but the
frozen,
right foods can
or in a
make
fruit
all the
salad
difference.
for a delicious way
From
to
the
debloat.
hydrating crunch of cucumber to the digestive power of ginger and pineapple, these 6 foods are gentle, natural ways to support your body and feel better fast. Instead of reaching for over-the-counter pills or crash detoxes, try incorporating these bloat-fighting ingredients into your meals and snacks. Your body will thank you. Remember, small daily choices can lead to big results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with someone who might be battling the bloat too. And for more science-backed health tips and food-based remedies, be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Stay light, stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.